How to build unshakable confidence, even after rejection. Rejection isn't the real reason you feel small. It's the story you started telling yourself afterward, that you're not enough. Not wanted. Not worthy. Let's change that today. We've all been there. Someone doesn't choose us, and suddenly it feels like we're not worth choosing. Maybe it was a breakup. A job you didn't get. Friends who slowly pulled away. You start doubting yourself. Overthinking every move. Trying to prove your worth to people who weren't even meant to stay. But here's the truth, confidence doesn't come from being accepted by others. It comes from no longer abandoning yourself. Unshakable confidence isn't about pretending you're okay. It's about learning how to anchor your self-worth in who you are, not in who accepts or rejects you. Rejection feels personal, but most times, it reflects someone else's readiness, wounds, or preferences, not your value. The more you internalize that truth, the less power rejection holds. So how do you rebuild your confidence, and make it unshakable? 1. Catch the inner critic in real time. After rejection, your brain tries to make sense of it by blaming you. You hear things like, I wasn't good enough. They probably found someone better. Why did I even try? Interrupt that thought spiral. Instead, ask, what story am I telling myself right now, and is it actually true? This one question can shift you from self-blame to self-compassion. 2. Affirm who you are, not just what you want to be. Start every day reminding yourself of things that are already true. I bring value, whether or not they see it. I am worthy of love, even when others walk away. Rejection is redirection, not a reflection of my worth. It might sound simple, but over time, these reminders rewire the way you see yourself. They help you stop shrinking after every no. 3. Choose environments that reflect your worth. The people around you shape your confidence more than you realize. Are you constantly proving yourself? Or are you being celebrated for who you are? Confidence grows in environments where you feel seen, safe, and supported, not where you're always trying to earn your spot. Sometimes rebuilding confidence means leaving spaces that keep you doubting your value. Rejection hurts. That's real. But it doesn't get to define you. You are still worthy. Still powerful. Still enough, even if someone didn't see it. Confidence isn't loud or perfect. It's quiet. Steady. Rooted in how deeply you choose to believe in yourself. So if no one's told you lately, you're not broken. You're just healing into someone stronger. If this message resonated with you, subscribe to Glow and Grow Space, your safe corner for healing, confidence, and real growth. You don't have to do this alone. Your healing starts here.